Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, this is going to be a super quick, super fast Dollar General video because this is a run deal that I'm 100% sure will end very fast. So if you see this video and you want to do this deal, this is one of those deals where you make a move. So I'm in a very empty, y'all can see my cart over there because I've already done 3 transactions. But I'm in a very empty Dollar General. They have almost no laundry products, but thankfully, they have exactly what I need to do my deals today. They got this Tide right here for $5.50, and they also have these Bounce sheets, these 34 count sheets, and they have some Snuggle. And we have a nice situation on the Snuggle. So for the Snuggle, you can get the dryer sheets that are $4.50, or you can also get the liquid softener. I already got a bunch of the dryer sheets up here that are with the 105 count. I had to pull those down from the top. But you guys, using no paper coupons, all digital, when you buy 2 Snuggle items, we're saving $4 instantly with the sale, and we're saving $4 with this store coupon up on the screen. So it's taking them down from $9 from 2 to 50 cents each. All digital, new store, old store, you can use self-checkout or a cashier. 50 cents each, or you can place an order for pickup, which I wouldn't recommend. Just go into the store and get your items. And thank you to DG Saving with Sanders because I saw this post on her page and I went on ahead and got up. And then last night I saw a post from Brody Saves on Instagram that made me run for the Bounce this morning as well. So the Bounce and the Tide, we have a digital coupon that's working on both of these. It's buy one, get one free. And then some accounts will also have this $2 digital for the Tide that's making both of these products, the Tide and the Bounce, $1.50 for 2. So what I did is I bought all 4 products together, 2 of the 105 count dryer sheets, Tide and the Bounce. I used a $2 paper coupon for one of the Snuggle, and with all of the DG math, I don't even know how it all works. It came out to $1.50. I was good with that for all 4 of these items, $1.50 off. Then with the Snuggle, what I did is I picked up 2 of those items, so 2 of the $4.50 items. I used a $1 paper coupon. With the $1 paper coupon, you guys, it comes out to 2 cents for 2 Snuggle items. Yes, y'all, we call that super free around here. That is free 99. So I just had to go get me some more coupons. But again, you do not need these. I just want to make this as cheap as possible. But it's still only 50 cents a piece with no coupons. But I'm going to go ahead and use these and do a couple more transactions. But I wanted to let you guys know about this deal because this is going to be a super fast deal. But it's a super good deal. We haven't had a deal like this in a long time. So move fast and get to Dollar General and get it in. And let me know down in the comments if you score. And again, not everybody will have that additional $2 Tide coupon. Only select accounts have it. I think like 3 or 4 of my accounts have it. So just check your different accounts if you have more than one to see if you can find one. But if not, definitely still just get stocked up on the Snuggle. And here are my receipts for both types of transactions so you can see how everything worked out. Remember that we also have a 5 off of 25 that is good all week. So if you want to work these deals into a 5 off of 25, you can definitely do that. I didn't have time to work all that math today. I just wanted to be in and out and get my laundry, and everything worked out really well. We also have a great deal on the Family Guard disinfecting sprays. These are $2.50. If you have that 4 off of 2 manufacturer coupon, you can easily build a fantastic 5 off of 25 deal. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button. As always, you guys, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.